I welcome you all to the next session of marketing management. As you all know, in previous session we completed with the syllabus of SEM 3. In this session we will be dealing with the syllabus of SEM 4. In previous sessions जैसे आपने एग्ज़ाम दी है, this time also you will have online exams only with respect to it, but you have internal marking for the assignments as well as practical, as marketing management is your practical subject. You will be getting 10 marks practical paper. You have to solve with 4 objectives given on it. Clear to it? Okay. Now, and 3 assignments will be provided to you. Each assignment will be consisting of 10 marks. That means one assignment, the assignment will be for the 30 marks, and 10 marks will be the practical part of it. Cleared? Okay. Now further, in this session we will be dealing with the syllabus, what you will be dealing with SEM 4, and the technicality and the books to be referred for this SEM. Clear to it? Okay. क्लियर है सबके लिए ये बात? गुड. जस्ट गिव मी 1 minute. Okay, in this session we will be dealing with the syllabus, what you will be dealing with. The name for your subject is marketing management, and there are 4 credits to it. 3 credit will be for your theory paper and 1 credit will be for your practical paper. Clear to it? And total will be of 4 credits. The course code is 246H. क्या है कोर्स का कोड 246H. Clear to it? Okay. Now, moving further, what syllabus you have to deal with into it? Okay. In marketing management, consisting of 4 credit, 3 credits are for theory paper and 1 credit is for practical paper. The code for your paper is 246H, and the total credit will be 4. Clear to it? Okay. The theory part, मतलब जो chapter है, what are the chapters what you will be dealing into it? There are 4 chapters what you will be dealing into it. First chapter is green marketing. Second chapter is e-marketing. Fourth chapter is digital marketing, and fourth chapter is introduction to international marketing. My dear students, when you observe on the units or on the syllabus, what is being there in this SEM is all advanced marketing. क्लियर टू इट? पिछली बार जो हमने पढ़ा था उससे बहुत डिफरेंट है, बहुत एडवांस है ये मार्केटिंग. इन प्रीवियस सेशन वी स्टडीड अबाउट मार्केटिंग रिसर्च. हमने जो भी पढ़ा था वो रिसर्च के बारे में पढ़ा था, ज़्यादा प्लानिंग स्ट्रैटेजीज ऑफ मार्केटिंग. बट इन दिस सेशन वी विल बी डीलिंग विद समथिंग मोर विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू मार्केटिंग. that is new era into marketing, that is green marketing, digital marketing, e-marketing, and how international marketing is flourishing these days too. Clear to it? Okay. Take the notes of the syllabus and I'll tell you which textbooks to be referred for this marketing management. And please don't take this subject a light subject, as you have, if you have selected marketing management as your special subject, so don't take it for granted, because marketing management subject, the marketing subject is a vast subject and it will give you much and much and much scope if you complete your graduation and if you have good knowledge of this subject. क्लियर टू इट? तो इसको अंडर एस्टिमेट कर चलो मत. लोग बोलते क्या अरे मार्केटिंग क्या है, ओके क्या है उसमें, बोल बच्चन तो करना है. नो माय डियर स्टूडेंट, द बोल बच्चन हैज़ टू बी वर्थ, बिकॉज टुडे द कंज्यूमर्स आर अवेयर ऑफ द मार्केट, अवेयर ऑफ एंड आर गुड knowledgeable consumers are not fool like previous ones. Clear to it? Okay, chalo take the note of it. First unit is of green marketing. In green marketing 1.1 we have to study introduction of green marketing. 1.2 we have to study meaning of green marketing. 1.3 we have to study definition of green marketing. 1.4 we have to study objectives of green marketing. 1.5 we have to study importance of green marketing. 1.6 is strategies of green marketing. 1.7 is role of manager in green marketing. 1.8 marketing mix of green marketing. 1.9 principles of success of green products. केस स्टडी, क्लियर टू इट। और ये पहला ऐसा चैप्टर है, पहला ऐसा यूनिट है जहाँ पर हम लोग केस स्टडी पढ़ेंगे। एंड आई विल बी टीचिंग यू हाउ टू सॉल्व, हाउ टू एनालाइज द केस स्टडीज ऑल्सो, provided you watch the videos, provided you go through the videos, then only you'll are able to understand what are the case studies, how the case studies is to be solved, how it has to be analyzed, etc. Clear to it? Okay, took the note of it। first session में क्या है, what we have to study: introduction, meaning, definition, objectives, important strategies of green marketing, then role of marketing manager in green marketing, then marketing mix of green marketing, principles of success of green products, and case study। clear to it? Okay, then in the next unit we have to study 2.1 introduction of e-marketing। E-marketing is basically known as electronic marketing. E is an abbreviation of electronic marketing, clear to it? E-marketing stands for electronic marketing। in that 2.1 is introduction to green marketing, 2.2 is meaning of green marketing, 2.3 is definition of e-marketing, 2.4 is utility of e-marketing, 2.5 is advantage of e-marketing, 2.6 is limitations of e-marketing, 2.7 is challenges before e-marketing, 2.8 is online and offline marketing, 2.9 is present status of e-marketing in India, and 2.10 is scope for e-marketing in Indian scenario, online marketing strategies, and 2.11 is online marketing strategies। क्या क्या पढ़ना है? एंड दिस चैप्टर इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग एंड ई मार्केटिंग वाला, बिकॉज दिस इज़ वॉट वी आर सीइंग ऑल अराउंड। ये जो आज का हमारा सिनेरियो है, दैट इज़ ऑल अबाउट ई एंड डिजिटल। clear to it? So in this unit what we have to study: introduction of e-marketing, meaning of e-marketing, definition of e-marketing, utility of e-marketing, advantages of e-marketing, limitations of e-marketing, challenges before e-marketing, online and offline marketing, present status of e-marketing in India, scope for e-marketing in Indian scenario, online marketing strategies। नेक्स्ट वन, द थर्ड यूनिट इज़ डिजिटल मार्केटिंग। अभी आप लोगों ने देखा होगा देयर आर मेनी डिजिटल मार्केटिंग कोर्सेज ऑल्सो, as this has become a profession now. So please, whatever sessions are there, whatever chapters are there into your marketing management, don't take it lightly। clear to it? because you are doing specialization into it। तो बाहर जाकर आपको एक ऐसे, जैसे जो ये यूनिट सेपरेट यूनिट्स है, तो दिस यूनिट्स विल गिव यू अ सेपरेट करियर। जैसे ई मार्केटिंग आप सीखते हो, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग आप सीखते हो, तो यू कैन बी अ डिजिटल मार्केटर एंड यू कैन अर्न लैक्स एंड करोर्स ऑफ रुपीज़ into it, and people are earning into it। I am not bugging off। third one is digital marketing। in that you have to study introduction of digital marketing, meaning of digital marketing, definition of digital marketing, difference between traditional marketing and digital marketing, very important। 3.5 is digital marketing channels, in that search engine optimization, age optimization on page optimization। then 3.5.2 is social marketing media, Facebook marketing, Twitter marketing, Google marketing, video promotions, YouTube marketing, Pinterest marketing, Instagram marketing। next, advertisement, Google AdWords, Facebook ads, Twitter's ad। cleared है? okay, then 3.5.4 is email marketing, 3.5.5 इज़ मोबाइल ऐप मार्केटिंग। ये सब हम देख रहे हैं आज हमारे, ये जो कोविड ने ये सब चीज़ें हमें क्लोज ला कर रख दिया है, राइट? बिकॉज ईमेल मार्केटिंग, वेब मार्केटिंग, मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन, वेब एनालिसिस, देन फेसबुक मार्केटिंग, ट्विटर मार्केटिंग, गूगल मार्केटिंग, एडवर्टाइजमेंट प्रमोशन, एड मार्केटिंग, ये हम सब देखते हैं आज। एंड कोविड एक उसका फ़ायदा ये हुआ है कि डिजिटल मार्केटिंग उसमें ज़्यादा फ्लरिश हुआ है। देन वी हैव 3.5.6 इज़ वेब एनालिसिस, then 3.5.7 is content marketing, then 3.5.8 is affiliated marketing. Fourth one is introduction to international marketing. जब आपका इंडियन का पूरा हो जाएगा then we'll move towards international marketing. Introduction, meaning of international marketing, definition of international marketing, scopes of international marketing, objectives of international marketing, facts of international marketing, benefits of international marketing, limitations of international marketing, force influencing international marketing, force restraining international marketing. ये हमको 4 सेशंस पढ़ने हैं, 4 चैप्टर्स पढ़ने हैं। कौन से? फर्स्ट है ई मार्केटिंग, नो, फर्स्ट वन इज़ ग्रीन मार्केटिंग, ई मार्केटिंग, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, very important. Then international marketing introduction. This is a base, and in further, that is SEM 5 and SEM 6, you will have more into it. Clear to it? Okay. Now what are the books to be referred for it? रेफर्ड क्या करोगे आप? कौन से बुक्स रेफ़र करोगे आप? मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट के फ्लिप कॉटलर के बुक रेफ़र कर सकते हो। पब्लिकेशन इज़ पर्सनल पब्लिकेशन, मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट, राजन सक्सेना का आप रेफ़र कर सकते हो। राजन सक्सेना का आप मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट रेफ़र कर सकते हो। एंड द पब्लिकेशन इज़ मैकग्रो हिल एजुकेशन, Principles of Management, again the Philip Kotler's author is a Philip Kotler, Portion publication you can refer. Then Sales and Distribution Marketing, that is Tapan K Panda, Oxford publication, you can refer. Clear to it? These are the best books, but I'll suggest you to refer Nirali Prakashan book because university has taken its copyright. So your notes for the Nirali Prakashans for this subject is very good. So please refer Nirali Prakashan rather than searching for these textbooks. Clear to it? Okay, if you have any doubts and queries, as I have uploaded the video for the syllabus also, पिक्चर्स भी अपलोड किया है वीडियो में, तो यू विल नॉट हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम विद रिस्पेक्ट टू दैट. देन टू इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेरीज तो पिन मी ऑन द email ID provided to you by the college. Thank you all. Thank you. Be at home. Be safe.